What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut reflector lamp tint on this 2018 Honda Accord. First, you're going to want to start by cleaning the surface thoroughly. And then you're going to want to peel the material from the backing paper. You want to start in this lower right-hand corner here and just align the film. You know what? I'm actually going to start. Actually, I'm going to start on the left side. It might be a little bit easier for this. So you get the film aligned, you're just going to basically want to keep tension on it with your right hand. Push down with your left hand. Making sure you're aligning the film as you follow your way down the lamp. So now once you have the center section of the film down, you're going to actually have to use a squeegee to push the rest of the material behind the bumper. So first, I like to just push in this reflector a little bit. It does give a little bit. You start to work that material down in that crack. And the same thing with the top. So there you have it. That's the install on the pre-cut tail lamp. Sorry, not tail lamp, the pre-cut reflector light film for the 2018 Honda Accord. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be doing some more product demonstration videos like this, as well as uploading some other content. If you have any questions, you can reach us on our website. It's cruxmoto.com. There's a link below the video here, as well as a link to this on our website for purchase. This is the dark smoke overlay. 20% is what we refer to it as in some of our videos or content online. I also have this available in a light smoke if you want to just tone it down a little bit and not completely black out the back end. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching.